Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest crypto tutorials. Today I'll show you how to use BitMart Savings to earn passive income effortlessly. Whether you prefer flexible, fixed, or promotional savings, I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, open your BitMart app. By the way, if you haven't signed up on BitMart yet, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 8,000 USDT welcome bonus. Now, go to the Assets tab. On the upper part of the screen, slide left until you see the Earn tab. BitMart Savings offer a simple way to earn passive income on your crypto holdings. One click to activate Auto Earn, which will bring you a continuous stream of income. Auto Earn currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USDT, USDC, and BMX under flexible savings and all are principal protected products. Once activated, if the following conditions are met, Auto Earn will automatically subscribe to flexible savings daily at UTC midnight. The relevant quota is still available, the relevant APY is greater than 1%, and you can turn off Auto Earn and redeem your assets anytime. Enabling Auto Earn is super simple. Tap Activate Now to turn on Auto Earn. You'll see three savings type: flexible savings, earn interest while maintaining access to your funds; fixed savings, lock off your funds for a set-up period in exchange for higher interest rates; promotions, limited time offers with higher rewards. Since flexible savings lets you earn while still having access to your funds, let's go ahead and subscribe using USDT as an example. You'll see 10% tier rate plus 7% extra bonus. Enter the subscription amount. For example, I have here 1,203 USDT. Below, you'll find key details, remaining subscription, which is available quota for this plan, interest accrual time when your funds start earning, and interest payment date when you receive payouts. The tier rate may change over time, so always double check before subscribing. At the bottom, you'll see the estimated interest earnings per hour. For example, with my 1,203 USDT, I will earn 0.01132 USDT per hour, which totals to 8.156 for 30 days. Not bad if you're just holding your funds. You can tap this toggle, auto-subscribe, if you want to keep reinvesting automatically. Tick the agreement box to accept the terms. Tap subscribe and that's it. Now you're earning passive income through BitMart Savings. And that's how you use BitMart Savings to earn interest on your crypto. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.